So the first thing that I do is get my sections together. The left side is one section, the right side is another section, and the back part I divide into horizontal sections. Now here we go. For the first row, I curl in one direction. The next row will be in the opposite direction. And the next row after that will be in the same direction as the first row. I do this so that when I comb out the curls, it will be bigger and the curls won't just blend all in together. If I curl them all in the same direction, when I comb through the curls, all of the curls will blend in together, and I don't want that. That's why each row I do in a different direction. If you are interested in purchasing hair from my hair store or purchasing a unit, please comment about that below and go to ChanelEclectic.com for details. All you want to do is while you're turning the barrel, you want to slightly open up the clip a little bit so that you can slide the hair down. Now I am on the side section. First I do my horizontal sections and then I start curling from the bottom up. Here you can see how I turn the barrel and open the clip a little bit as I turn it to make sure that I get all of the hair in there and that all of the hair is curled. If you are interested to see how I achieved this color, the link to that video will be below. If you want to see clips of how I made this unit, the link to that video will also be below. Now on to the other side. I do my horizontal sections and then I start curling from the bottom up. Every curl that I do on the edge of the wig, the perimeter of the wig, I do that curl going away from the face. The other curls in the side section, I do going toward the face or away from the face. the finished results. And that is what it looks like after I brush the curls out. Here is the unit on me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.